Okay, so I'm vlogging, okay?
Vlogging? For what? Nothing
For fun.
special.
So today
Today
we are review on Nicole Burdick final exam, semester 1. And here's my tutor, aka đa cấp, Nguyễn Thị Huyền Yến. She do a lot of job, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of job?
She was paid to travel to China.
To Đại Tống.
Yeah. And she was doing visa for a lot of people to travel, right?
Right.
Yeah. Look at me. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Put a like and turn on post notification.
Yeah. And if you want to study
World literature.
contact me.
Contact you and then.
Plan Brian Prejudice.
Oh. And also Nicole Burdick, the head of English.
I'm a Nicole fan. I'm a fan of Nicole.
Fuck Miss Nicole. If
She's
you're
like-
seeing this
Nicole is my
channel.
dream girl.
What the heck? Nicole is the badass bitch.
No, please give me like 100. I love
We
Nicole.
love you, Nicole. So if you're watching this, Nicole, give us a like and a subscribe and also 100 point in world literature.
Yeah. Wow. There's a gunshot. Jesus. Aram and Bobby Lee come back. Bobby Lee is carrying Bailey's shirts, which he gives to the misfit who puts it on. The misfit then say, FBI the crime. No matter, sooner or later you're going to forget what you done and just be punished for it.
So as you can see, we are looking at Super Summary, and this is my laptop and Huang Ying is working on it. And I'm vlogging for you guys.
My life is boring.
Okay, now I will turn on. So now I will review my room, okay? So this is my fucking bed. Kinda beautiful, but like I'm lazy to clean it up. This is the floor and then
She just licked the door. No, she just licked the floor.
Oh, bro, I'm not. This is the flower. This like a present for my friend. 2 of the body mist from Bad Body Work.
Wow.
Yeah. And this is my tutor, aka Nguyễn Thị Hoàng Yến.
Christmas gift.
And this is my trash can. I love basketball, so this is what my dad made me around 2-3 years ago. Yeah, you see this Hoàng Yến backpack, my gaming chair, my closet, I guess, my dog, and the floor, a dumbbell, the kind of like a protein, my bag, and this my room, the light, the air conditioner, everything. And okay, look at my tutor Hoàng Yến.
No.
Okay, so this is Huang Ying, as you can see. And now review a part of my room outside. Okay, so look through here. You guys can see my fucking floor where my mom used to live. And now she got kicked out of our house. I kicked her out. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog. If you like our vlog, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like button, and then turn on the post notification so when we upload a video you can saw it. Thank you.